I'm Brad Dickerson, and I'd like to introduce to you Wealth Elevation. Here's how I got started. As an English major coming out of college, one of my first jobs was working at Sherwin-Williams, managing the paint store. And I'll never forget sitting there Maytagging it at the paint store, looking at the back of the newspaper, and two painters walk in. They see me looking at the back of the newspaper, and I can see that they have some questions. But they proceed to place a big order for a new company that's starting, and they wanted to know if I could match up the color for the company DLJ Direct. So as I'm matching up the color, they proceed to start asking me questions about investing, and if I invested. Before I could even answer, they already start talking about the stocks that they invest in and the investing that they do. So as I finish up the order, write it down, DLJ Direct, code color gray, they leave, and I look again back at the back of the newspaper. And I think to myself, wow, I have no idea what any of this stuff means on the back of the paper. And I thought that day was like, I'm going to make it a mission or a point that I understand what's on the back of that paper. So fast forward, I'm working, shaking buckets, making good money, but deciding that, as a young person, as we do, deciding that I want to go live out my dreams. I want to go sing. Mama, I want to sing. Now, I'm a good singer, but, you get to the point where, life happens. My girlfriend was we were having a kid. So at that point, it's deciding on, do I live and pursue the dreams that's not making any money right now? Or do I find a job, do the safe thing, take care of your family? So, as I'm sitting in the temporary office trying to get a job, I get the first assignment was to pass out surveys, and for every survey that you get completed, you give a t-shirt out. So this is my first assignment, and I am hustling t-shirts. I'm proactive, I'm stopping people, hey, fill out. And so I end up running out of t-shirts. So I call the main headquarters and I said, hey, this is Brad, I'm out of t-shirts. She was like, what do you mean you're out of t-shirts? I was like, yeah, all the surveys, for everyone, they get a t-shirt. I'm out of t-shirts. So she was amazed, like, we've never had anybody that proactive who's gotten rid of the t-shirts. So she says, you know what? I think I have a better job that I have for you. That you could be a broker trainee. Now, what the job is, you pass the test, you become a broker. If you pass the test, but if you fail the test, then you don't get the job. And so I remember the day, walking in, first day. I'm going up the elevator. And as I get off the elevator, I look to the right and the area is under construction, renovation. And I look down and I see 2 5-gallon buckets with gray paint on the top. In my handwriting, it says DLJ Direct.